Monster Z6 review. Is this Bluetooth speaker worth buying? Looking for a Bluetooth speaker that's powerful enough for parties, karaoke, and outdoor events? The Monster Z6 is much bigger than a typical portable speaker, but is it actually worth buying? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The Monster Z6 is an all-in-one PA speaker featuring a 15-inch woofer and 1-inch tweeter. Monster rates it at up to 650 watts of maximum power with a frequency response of 40 Hz to 20 kHz. Connectivity is a major strength. You get Bluetooth 5.4, AUX, FM radio, microphone and instrument inputs, plus USB support for firmware updates. It also supports TWS and Auracast for compatible setups. This speaker is designed for entertainment and events, with microphone controls, echo adjustment, EQ presets, and RGB lighting. The Monster Zone Control 2 app gives you additional control over sound and lighting. Portability is also built in. You get wheels, handles, and a telescoping handle, plus a tripod stand. But at around 36 pounds, this is definitely not a lightweight speaker for casual carrying. The biggest advantage is versatility. The large woofer gives you more bass and volume than a normal Bluetooth speaker, while the microphone inputs make it useful for karaoke, presentations, parties, and outdoor gatherings. But there's a downside: size. If you just want a speaker for your bedroom, office, or everyday music, the Z6 is probably much more than you need. And while it's designed for outdoor use, you should still protect it from harsh weather and direct exposure to water. So, is it worth buying? If you need a powerful, all-in-one PA speaker with Bluetooth, microphone support, lighting, and easy transport, the Z6 is a strong option. But for simple everyday listening, a smaller Bluetooth speaker will be more practical. Overall, the Monster Z6 is best suited for parties and events rather than casual home listening. Its combination of power, connectivity, microphone support, and portability is what makes it stand out. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. If this review helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment with the next speaker you'd like to see reviewed.